How to delete Microsoft OneDrive account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Take It Simple. In this tutorial video, I will guide you through the process on how you can delete Microsoft OneDrive account. So let's get right into the video. To delete the Microsoft OneDrive account, it is a quite easy and simple process. There are the two ways from which you can delete your account in Microsoft OneDrive. First one is by simply using the website version of Microsoft OneDrive, and second one is by using the Microsoft OneDrive application itself. For this video, I will show you guys how you can do it on Microsoft OneDrive application. First thing, make sure that you have OneDrive application installed on your device. Now open your application and you will be directed to this type of home page. Once you are here on this page, at the top left corner you can see the profile of your account. Click on it. Again, here you will see many different options at the screen. Click on the settings option. Again, here you will be directed to this type of home page with different options. From these different options, click on the account email. Finally, here in this screen you can see the option of delete account in the red color. Click on it. Once you click on that option, now you can follow the screen prompts, and that's it. In this simple way, you can delete Microsoft OneDrive account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned.